Okay, hello Elegoo service. I appreciate all your help up to now. Looking at the CC2, I'll give you this information. This here is the cutting board that you folks sent me as a replacement. And there's the hookup wire, and I had it hooked up to this section. Hopefully this is all in sort of kind of focus. There's a little bit of residue that's right here. That's just a little bit of glue from the previously broken wire. But if you look there, you can see that all the little 3 connections are there for the cutting block, and of course the other wire that's on here. Okay, or this other section, it's all good. Everything inside here is fine. You can see that the cutting blade is all there. The area over here comes in back here. This is all good where the cutting block comes to. I'm not sure. I'll go through the whole procedure, but I just wanted to show you what I've got up to now. I've got a new extruder that I'm going to hook up here, and there's the fan with that little extra wire that goes into here. Okay, so everything is working. Spring is working. Everything is good. So what I'll do is I will assemble it, and we'll start getting it working and show you the issue. Okay, so what I've got here, you can see this connection coming in from the cutting board is nice and clean, goes in nice and easy. Everything else up here is good. I got lots of tension there that's on the blade, and I'm going to put the new extruder on, get that done, and carry on from there. Okay, so the new head is there. This wire that comes off the cutting board here, I could have it going around the lever, but I'm always afraid, because the last one I had such problems with this cable, because when I tried to take it off, I was just squeezing it so lightly to pull it out of the slot, and the whole thing kind of just smashed in my fingers. So I'm always leery about that, but there's nothing binding there, nothing. There's lots of good tension, and I've unloaded all of the filament or the filament that was in there. So this is all working good. I never had any troubles with this machine as far as changing any of the reels before, other than this problem here. So let's get this connected and start get things rolling slowly. Okay, so it's all put back together. Everything went in nice and snug. So it's all awesome and ready to go. I just wanted to mention that there's no filament in either of the 4 lines coming out of the canvas here, and I have filament here ready to load. Okay, so I'm gonna just turn it on, and we'll just go through the sequence here. I have 3 Elegoo printers, 2 CC1s and this colored version here. Okay, so this is all ready to go. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go here, and we're going to just edit this color here. Okay, and it is PLA, and it is white, and it is generic. I should put on here. Okay, I'll confirm that, and then just edit this just to make sure that this is right. It's actually Elegoo PLA, and it's black. Okay, the third wheel. It's generic, and it is red. PLA. And then the fourth one is also just regular PLA. Alright, and that is Elegoo. Sorry for my redundancy here. Okay, so confirm. Alright, so everything is set up there. I hope you were able to see that. All these kind of weird lights I have. My room is not very well lit. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and I want to put this into number 2. Whoa. Okay. So that took it up there. Okay. I'm not going to put it in the second roll right now. I'm just going to leave it on the first one and just see if we can just call up a file here. Okay. And let's go with print. And we'll just sort of watch and see what everything's going to do. And the glare that's coming off of that light up here, I think. Just homing. Remember, there's no filament at all, other than a little bit of white that we just put in number 2, and it's just partially up the tube. The bed is raising, and it's showing we're preheating to a proper temperature. Canvas has done nothing since it took a little bit of filament to start, and we're almost there. 208. Okay. There's absolutely nothing in there, so you can see that it's just running dry. Alright, so I'm going to just go stop the print. Okay, and we're going to go into the canvas, and we're going to go, now I can load. Wouldn't give me this screen before. Heating the nozzle right now. Check the filament position. It's done that. Okay, and it's taking the white filament up. Okay. Got this little clicking noise that happens all the time in this, in number 2 and number 3 wheel. I don't know why, but it's saying loading new filament. And the final one is flush out old filament, which we didn't have any in, so I'm just going to close it. Okay. Now I'm going to just go ahead quickly, and I'm going to load completed. Alright. Let's go into here, and going to unload. checking filament position. Okay, you can see this filament there. Got some previous, a little bit of black there. So normally I think it would have cut it at that first. And nothing happens, and there's the filament cut failed. Please check the cutter block has been removed. Okay, so I can just go confirm. Alright. So let's just go back here. And we're going to do the whole thing over again. Unload. I think this is the position you wanted. Says it's checking the filament position. That area, okay. Actually, not sure if I'm getting it here. I can see that there's white filament and nothing's happening. Excuse me, I'll turn the camera back around this way. It stays in that corner. And that's where the error comes up again. Filament cut failed. And I can see there's a little bit, it's hot there. Okay. We'll go retry. Do this one more from here. Hopefully everything is in the picture what you need. Saying cut the filament and nothing happens, and that's when the error comes up again. Okay, well, hopefully that's going to give you an idea of what's going on. Eventually, like, I'll be able to get, the filament loaded in there, and then I can print just using one reel, but unable to change colors or anything like that. And yeah, so anyway, good luck with that. Again, I appreciate all of your help and whatever parts you sent me in the past. It's awesome. Great service. I appreciate it. Thank you very much.